Now let's take a look at lick number 1. And lick number 1 is inspired by Stevie Ray Vaughan. And this is based around shape number 2 of the E minor pentatonic scale. Now, when I say it's based around shape number 2, it's based around shape number 2 with your first finger at the 3rd fret. So you could see this as being the top portion of the open position extended scale of the E minor pentatonic. And this scale's got some very stylistic string bends that really give it that Texas blues sound. So if you want to nail some Texas blues soloing, this is going to be a great place for you to start looking at some expressive string bends around shape 2 of the minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so this lick starts off by bending the 5th fret of the top E up by a whole tone. Play the 3rd fret and add a quarter tone bend for a bluesy sound. Then we play the B string, which is the root note, 5th fret, back to the top E at the 3rd with a quarter tone bend. Then we're going to bend the 5th fret up another whole tone. Play the 3rd fret twice. And then when we play that, make sure you swing those 2 strikes on the 3rd fret. It's not a straight rhythm. And then we resolve to the root note on the B string. I'm going to play lick number 1 for you now with the click. So why is this lick important when achieving a Texas blues lead style? Well, straight away, it's the phrasing of the lick, as well as the position. Stevie Ray Vaughan is known for playing around shape number 2. It's a very expressive shape in terms of string bending possibilities. You're bending up that whole tone, and then you've got that minor to major tonality when you're playing that 3rd fret and just adding that quarter tone bend. As well as that, it's the mixing up of the rhythms. We've got the straight rhythms, and then we have that swung rhythm. So this lick, it's all about phrasing, and it's a certain type of phrasing that gives us that Texas sound. So take care with the string bending on this lick, especially that bend at the 5th fret. When you're down in these lower positions towards the nut, the string tension is a lot greater. So those bends can be quite tricky to achieve. So really pay attention to your pitch. Okay, so now it's your turn to play lick number 1.